In this example, we have a regular polygon with 15 sides and we want to find the value of each of its exterior angles. So the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees. So we want to find the value of each exterior angle. So each exterior angle is equal to the sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides. Number of sides. So this is going to be 360 degrees divided by 15, and this is going to give you 24 degrees. So for a 15-sided polygon, regular polygon, each of its external angles is going to be 24 degrees.